In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Krea AI Video Enhance feature. First, open your browser and head to Krea.ai, the AI creative suite for images, video, and 3D. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right and click it. On the sign in screen, choose Continue with Google. If you're already signed into your browser, you'll see your Google accounts listed. Click the one you want to use. This connects Krea to your profile so your projects are saved to your workspace. After sign in, you'll land inside the app. From here, open the enhancer. This is the tool that upgrades your footage using AI. Click Upload and select the video you want to improve from your computer. Common formats like MP4 or MOV work well. Give it a moment to process the upload. Larger files may take longer depending on your connection. Next, choose a frame rate, or FPS. This controls how many frames per second your final video will display. If your original was 24 FPS and you like that cinematic look, match it. For smoother motion, pick 30 or 60 FPS, but remember that higher FPS can increase processing time and file size. Matching your source avoids unintended speed changes. Now add a prompt. Think of this as creative direction for the enhancer. You can describe the result you want, like sharper details, reduced noise, or a specific look such as crisp daylight colors. Keep prompts clear and concise so the model understands your goal. Click AI strength to adjust how boldly the model interprets your prompt. Higher strength pushes the look further, lower strength stays more conservative. Then click resemblance to set how closely the output should stick to the original footage. If preserving faces, branding, or scene authenticity matters, increase resemblance. If you want a more stylized transformation, lower it slightly. When your settings feel right, click Enhance to generate a preview. Review the result. If something looks too strong or too subtle, tweak AI strength, resemblance, or your prompt and try again. When you're satisfied, click Enhance again to run the full quality process. This may take a bit, especially for longer clips. Finally, click Download to save the enhanced video to your device. Keep your project in Krea if you want to revisit settings later. That's it. You've improved your video with Krea's enhancer, from upload to fine-tuned output and export.